So you've heard him spewing venom. We're getting you another exclusive reaction now. Spiritual leader Sri Sri Ravi Shankar has also spoken out on the recent notification by the centre on the cow slaughter of sale of cattle for slaughter at animal markets. Take a listen. Well, in fact, what we're given to understand that he's also backed the government over the recent rule saying that the cattle is dwindling fast and there is a need to address the issue. The Art of Living founder has also stressed that he is all for the end of cruelty of animals. The spiritual leader has also said that the real issues at hand is not denying anybody their rights to eat, but what is fair. He also added that courts are fair and if they pass an order, it should be honored. Let's play out the reaction for you.
We're joined by Guruji Sri Sri Ravi Shankar. Thank you so much for joining us, Guruji. I'd like to ask you first, the raging controversy, and now that you're here in Kerala, is about the beef ban. What is your stand? What do you think? Because one thing is there is a lot of noise that is being created saying people can't eat it anymore. It's who can decide what is on my plate?
No, that's right. What people can eat what they want, but slaughtering animal in the public is not acceptable by any standard. And selling animals is what they have banned now. So, the fairs, people go because of desperation. Because we need to protect our cattle. And it's dwindling so fast in this country. When we became independent, we have 120 million cattle. And today, it just dwindled very badly. So, we need to address this issue. See, this ban is not just in India. In Cuba, for example, if you slaughter a cow, you'll be fined very heavily. $1,000, where the salary is only $25. Why? They want to protect the cattle in the country, Cuba. So similarly, we need to protect the cattle, especially native breeds. In Tamil Nadu alone, there was 85 types of cattle, cows, and today you hardly find 8 or 10 types. So we are losing the world heritage in this. We need to protect diversity in the planet.
Let me go across to my colleague Rohini, who is also joining us at the moment. Rohini, it's interesting what Sri Sri Ravi Shankar has to say. His voice coming at a time when there is another self-styled godman, in fact we would call him Shankaracharya, who has said that those who slaughter cow should be beheaded, they should be tried for sedition, and this is the voice of Sumer Narendranath Saraswati that's coming out.
Well, what is interesting to see is the fact that when the question was posed directly to Sri Sri Ravi Shankar, and he had said that nobody has a right to say what one can eat or not. Rather, he says that cruelty against animals is something that is completely condemnable. So the point here is that he says that the way it is being done, the way animals are slaughtered, that is extremely, it's in a cruel way that is done. So clearly a stand that is being taken by him is that nobody will dictate what is on your plate. Rather, they will only say how it is not to be done without causing cruelty to animals. Now, if you see in a way that Sri Sri Ravi Shankar's stand is not a firm stand, it's actually very similar to the stand that the BJP has taken in Kerala. Now, Sri Sri Ravi Shankar was in Kochi today. And if you speak to the BJP leaders here also, they say that the ban is on slaughter of animals in animal fairs and nothing more than that. Everybody is free to eat, everybody is free to sell, and everybody is free to slaughter for the sake of beef. So the point here is that his voice is very, very important. It also reflects that there are some people who are, in the sense, forward-minded in a way, saying that such kind of consumption of meat that people want to do if they want, it's their right to food, they can do so, but it should be done in the right way or in the correct way.
Absolutely. So in a fact that he is now also saying that the entire matter is in the domain of judiciary, and whatever judiciary says, it will be acceptable, because even in courts we've seen divergent opinion. What the Madras High Court had said, the Kerala High Court going on the other angle and saying that this notification by the Centre of Sale of cattle for slaughter in animal markets is in fact valid, because it does not infringe on anyone's right to eat beef. It does not talk about sale of cattle outside the animal market as well.
Well, Shri Shri Ravi Shankar has made that comment very clearly, saying what the courts have said is what should be looked as something as the legal system telling people what to do, and that is absolutely right. We should not go against the law because it has been done after much deliberation. It's a tricky situation. On one side, you have the Madurai bench of the Madras High Court putting a stay and saying that the centre should respond to the entire beef controversy and whether the ban on beef and slaughter of animals. And here you have the Kerala High Court, and mind you, Kerala is also one of the states with a high consumption of beef that we have seen, saying that what the centre has done is right. It's only being misinterpreted. It's being politicized. Nobody has stopped you from eating beef, is what the court observed. The court also went on to say that as the court does not understand, the Kerala High Court said we do not understand as to on what basis the Madras High Court actually brought that stay. So it's an interesting way, and we're seeing actually even the courts disputing on this matter.
But here is the point, Rohini. Well, here is the point, Rohini. While many would argue, Rohini, and since we've seen in Tamil Nadu as well, when Jallikat had happened, many would argue whether there is a point where you call it cruelty for animal or not, where Shri Shri had supported Jallikat, in fact, and he then said that he stands in support of Tamil heritage and culture. Right now he is also saying that it is a cruelty against animal that he is standing with, and hence voicing that he does support the notification in this exclusive interaction with India Today. We'll come back to you for more. Have to take another story at the moment as well. It's an India Today exclusive that we just played out now.